Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Vtiger and Trello. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new product is created in Vtiger, it will automatically add a new card in Trello. Now Vtiger is an excellent CRM tool and Trello is a list building application. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Vtiger to Trello. But there is one minor problem. Of course, there is some kind of integration between Vtiger and Trello. But this native integration is actually very limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Vtiger and Trello. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Okay, and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get the access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Vtiger to Trello. Vtiger CRM to Trello. Okay, then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Vtiger? Okay, because we want to send the data from Vtiger CRM. Now in the trigger event, it shall be new product. Okay, so new product is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new product is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like new deal, new contact, new organization, new FAQ, new event, and so on. All of them are bunch of trigger events. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new product is made in Vtiger CRM. Okay, so scroll down. So basically the gist of the process is, we are trying to integrate Vtiger to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to Vtiger. Okay, so this is my Vtiger account. So at the right corner, you will find Vtiger profile. So click on settings. Okay, so this is the settings page of Vtiger. Here scroll down at workflows, click this. Okay, so now we are going to create a new workflow. Click this and click on standard. Okay, so we are going to give a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give it as something Vtiger Trello path 1. Okay, something random. You can give any name according to your discretion. Okay, so target module, let's keep it as products. Now the status should be active. The description can be empty. Now scroll down. Now in the workflow trigger, the trigger flow workflow on product creation, because we want to send the data when there is a new product created. That is why we have selected the trigger as product creation. Now scroll down. Now in the fourth part called as the actions, click here and make it as webhooks. Okay, so when we click on webhooks, additional pop-up window appears. So in the action title, how about we name it as workflow 1. Okay, you can give any action title according to your discretion. I'm planning to give the description as empty. So the URL should be kept as post, but the content type should be JSON. Okay, so now in the URL to notify, we want to find a webhook URL. So your obvious question is where I'm going to get the webhook URL. It's actually pretty easy. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Excellent. Now in the authorization type, let's keep it as no authentication. Now in the parameters, we want to select some parameters like the product name, the product quantity, basically all the details that we want to send the data about. For example, let me go to products. Okay, and I'm going to click on add products. Okay, so if you want to send the data regarding this field, product name, so we just want to go to this place and click on value, and from the raw text, change it to field. Okay, so in the use field, let's make it as product name. So basically it will ensure that it will capture the data related to product name. Simply copy this. Okay, copy this, click on save and just paste it here. Okay, so basically this means that in the parameters we have entered the product name. So whenever we create a product, okay, basically all the details in this field will be captured by Pabbly Connect. So how about we add some more fields? For example, let us view the full form. So I'm going with the unit price, or how about we go with the quantity in stock, or also we will add something related to the product description. Okay, so let's go to workflows, click on add, click on value. Okay, so in the raw text, again change it to field. Now in the use field, let's make it as we want the information about the unit price. Okay, and just copy this whole. Okay, click on save and I'm going to just paste it here. Okay, now again I'm going to click on add. So basically this means that the unit price, that is practically here. Okay, let me show you the unit price field. Okay, so the data regarding this field will be captured by this Pabbly Connect. Okay, so how about we add something related to the description? Let's make it as field again, and let's make it as a description. Let's scroll down whether we have description. Okay, let's type. Okay, description. Okay, so I'm just copying this same procedure, click on save and just paste it here. Okay, so basically it will capture the data if some data is entered here. Okay, so we are going to capture the description detail. How about we add quantity in stock or quantity per unit? Okay, so just click one more time, add new field, raw text, make it as field text, and make it as quantity per unit. Okay, so this means that whenever the data is entered here, it will capture the data. Okay, so just click on save, just copy this, basically just copy this, just click on save and just paste it here. Okay, so basically we have set it something like this. It will capture the product name, it will capture the unit price, it will capture the description, and it will capture the quantity per unit. Excellent. So just click on save. Okay, and again just click on save. Okay, so basically we have integrated Vtiger to Pabbly Connect. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Vtiger, it basically means that anytime a product is created in Vtiger, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we create a dummy product? So I'm just closing this, just refreshing the product page. Okay, so I'm just going to click on add product. Okay, so the product name is Samsung G series. Okay, the unit price is 400 or 4000 INR, and then we can add the quantity in stock, or let's make it as full form. Okay, Samsung G series, that is 4000, and we are not going to add the rest of the details. Even if we add all those details, it won't capture it because we had added the parameters as product name, quantity in size, and then description and unit price per product. So the unit price is 4000, and let's scroll down, and unit quantity as 10 or quantity in stock as 20 if you want. So we are not going to add any product image information. If you want to add any other details, any of these blanks, you just have to enter the parameter first. Otherwise, it won't capture the data regarding this field. Okay, so in the description, this is an awesome product. That's all. Product. Okay, this is an awesome product. So we have entered all the details. Just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, a product called a Samsung G series has been created. So let's have a look in Pabbly Connect whether, since it is integrated with Vtiger, has it captured the data. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so excellent. We have got the data. So this is the product name, that is Samsung G series. The unit price is 4000 INR, and this is the description. This is an awesome product, and this is quantity per unit, that is 10. Okay, so now we are ready to create a card in Trello. So to do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So since we are interested in creating a card in Trello, how about we make the choose app as Trello. Okay. Now in the action event, let's make it as add new card. Now add new card is an action event. There are many more action events like create a board, create a list on a board, get card details, and so on. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a new card in Trello. Okay, so just click on connect with Trello. Okay, so as you can see in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: the username, the API key, and the token. So to get all of them, let's click on this button. Okay, so here we have a button called as here. Just click this. Okay, so this is your API key. Basically your API key, copy this and simply paste it here. So we have entered our API key. Now we want the username as well as the token. So to get both of them, let's go back. Click on token. Okay, so this is your username. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, excellent. Now coming to the token, we are going to generate the token. So scroll down and click on allow. So this is the token you want. Simply copy this and then just paste it here. Okay, so we have filled in the username, we have also entered the API key, and we have also filled in the token. Excellent. So just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a card from the data that we have received from Vtiger via Pabbly Connect. So before we sync in the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so as you can see in the choose board, it is showing it as alpha board. So let us have a visit at in our Trello account. So this is the number of boards I have. Okay, one of them is alpha board. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let's expand this. So these are all of the boards I have: Shopify, Sujata, Trello to GitHub, Trello to Telegram, and so on. So basically all those boards, all the names of the boards is present. That is made here. Okay, so basically these are the boards I have: Yellow, Alpha board, Shopify, Sujata. All those boards that is present here is being reflected here. So I want to create a card in, let's say, Yellow board. Okay, so now as you can see, we have a board called as Yellow board. I'm going to select that board. Okay, so these are the boards I have. This is the board I have, Yellow, and I have 3 lists in it: the priority, high, and the low. Okay, these are the 3 lists I have. And let's say I want to create a card in this list called as the low list. So I'm going to click on Pabbly Connect again, and I'm going to select the list. So for example, I have a list called as priority, high, and low. So I'm going to select on low. Okay, so how about we name the card? So the name of the card can be anything. I'm going to enter the product name. So basically we are getting started to map in the detail. So this button is called as the mapping button. So when we click this, we can find the data that we have received from Vtiger. So I'm just going to click on this one, Samsung G series. Now the description of the card can be a little brief. So this is the card, and we can enter the quantity of a unit price, and the description, or and it is awesome, something like this is awesome product. Okay, and we can also enter the quantity. Okay, quantity per unit. Okay, so we have filled all in the details. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing we have sent in the data to Trello. So let's have a look in the low list of yellow board in Trello. Yes, we have a card called as Samsung G series. So let's expand this, and this is the description. So this is the card, 4,000, and that was the price, and this is an awesome product. Basically this is the description, and this is the quantity per unit. Okay, so the presence of this card in Trello shows that we have successfully integrated Vtiger to Trello with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. So before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm going to click on action window and minimize this, and I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Vtiger CRM to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Trello to Pabbly Connect. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Vtiger and Trello. Excellent. So how about we create one more product in Vtiger? Okay, so I'm going to create one more dummy product. So Lenovo Yoga series. Okay, so the unit price is 10,000, and we can enter, okay, let's make it as full form, and the unit price, this is the unit price we have entered. Quantities, we have 20, and quantity in stock, okay, we don't really have to enter that. Description can be, okay, beautiful product. I'm just using anything that is popping in my head. Okay, so just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, a product called as Lenovo Yoga series has been created. So let's have a look in Trello whether we have a card called as Lenovo Yoga series. So let's cancel this and let's refresh this. Yes, we have a card called as Lenovo Yoga series. This means our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new product is created in Vtiger, it will be reflected as a card in Trello because of Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.